In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time slots in Square appointments as part of our Mastering Square Basics series. Whether you're setting up your business for the first time or looking to optimize your current setup, adding time slots efficiently is crucial. Let's dive into this process, ensuring that everything is crystal clear and straightforward. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the free appointment scheduling software and booking app section on Square. This is your starting point for managing all scheduling aspects of your business. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on this to access your account. Upon signing in, you'll be redirected to the Square dashboard. This is your control center where all important data and tools reside. On the dashboard, look for the POS systems section. This stands for point of sale, but for our purposes, it's where you'll find the tools to manage your appointments effectively. Click on this section to proceed. Once inside, you'll see an option labeled Square Appointments. Click on this and it will take you to the interface where you can manage all the scheduling details for your business. At this point, if you're just getting started, you'll likely see a Get Started button prominently displayed. This is designed to streamline the setup process, so don't hesitate to click on it. Now we're getting to the key part of today's tutorial, adding time slots. Within the Square Appointments section, look for the Calendar tab. This calendar is your lifeline for visually managing appointments, availability, and time slots. Click on it to open up your scheduling grid. With the calendar open, you can now add, adjust, or remove time slots as you need. This customization ensures that your business hours are accurately reflected and that your clients can book appointments at their convenience. It's that simple. Make sure to double check your time slots after setting them up to avoid any booking mishaps. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to add time slots in Square Appointments. Remember that this step is central to running a smooth operation. Ensuring that your availability is correctly presented not only increases efficiency but also enhances the customer experience. Thank you for joining us in this installment of Mastering Square Basics. Stay tuned for more tips and insights to help your business thrive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates on our latest tutorials. Happy scheduling!